If you're looking to get off Facebook, whether you just need a temporary break or want to erase your account for good, this is exactly how you do it. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to deactivate or permanently delete your account directly inside the Facebook app on your iPhone. Let's jump straight into it. Before we get into the steps, it's worth knowing what you're actually choosing between. Deactivating is temporary. Your account goes into hibernation, nobody can find you, and you can come back anytime just by logging in. Deleting is permanent. Everything goes. Your photos, your posts, your messages. There's no undo after 30 days, so make sure you're certain before going that route. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu button. That's the icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Account Center and tap that. Then scroll down until you see Manage Accounts, tap it, and then tap Manage next to the account you want to deactivate or delete. Now tap Deactivation or Deletion, and you'll see both options laid out clearly. Choose the one you want and tap Continue. Either way, the next steps are roughly the same. You'll be asked for your Facebook password, then asked why you're leaving. Pick a reason, scroll down, and hit Continue. Facebook may offer you some alternatives at this point. Just scroll past and continue if you've made up your mind. There's one thing to watch for here. Near the bottom, you'll see an option about reactivating your account. By default, it might reactivate automatically if you log back in accidentally. If you want to stay off Facebook, tap that drop down, scroll down, and select Don't Reactivate Automatically, then tap Done. After that, tap Continue one more time and then select Deactivate My Account. That's it, you're off. If you're deleting your Facebook account, the process is the same, but instead of seeing the reactivation option, you'll go straight to the final confirmation. Tap Delete My Account and it's done. Facebook gives you a 30-day grace period. If you log back in during that window, your deletion will be cancelled. After 30 days, everything is gone for good. If this saved you a headache navigating Meta's settings, hit that like button. It genuinely makes a massive difference for the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.